Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Erin Condren haul. So I went ahead and took everything out of the box just so that it's not in the way, and I did want to start off by thanking Erin Condren and her team. They were kind enough to send me over this package and I'm extremely grateful, and I can't wait to show you exactly what's in here. So the first thing that I did get was this all occasional gift wrap book, and I believe this is just full of gift tags. So we have these note cards for whatever occasion, thank you cards, and then all sorts of different tags in here. And this is just great for any last minute gifts as well as any personalized cards. Like, how gorgeous is that? Because in the back we do have some gift wrap, and this print is just so pretty. I am loving the colors in here. These florals are so pretty. And then back here are some envelopes. Okay, so some envelopes for those cards. So that's always helpful. So whenever you do have anything to wrap, you can just pull out your gift wrap book and everything's in here. So the next thing that I got was another one of the on-the-go folio. And this one is in the champagne color. And I bought the pink one, but I also wanted a different option. I just love this color. It is so pretty. And I just love how soft these folios are. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be switching from the pink one and this champagne one. It's just always fun to have options. So I can't wait to use this one either. And then I also picked up another pen holder just because I did end up getting one of the life planners. So this is most likely going to go on here. And then I also picked up some of these rulers slash bookmarks for this same planner as well, and also for my academic planner. I like putting one in the monthly view and another one in the weekly view. That way I can flip to whatever page I'm in right away. And then I did get the other two for this planner right here, so I'm loving those already. And let's go ahead and take a look at the first life planner that I got. And it is this right here. I am in love with this leopard cover. I think it is gorgeous. I went ahead and customized it to have this gray and white color. I am just obsessed with neutrals, and I thought that this print with these colors would look gorgeous, and I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. So let's take a look really quick. Oh, I am loving this. Okay, so I love that. And of course, I did end up getting the neutral color in this because I just love my neutrals. I am loving the birthdays and goal sections in this one. It is different from the academic planner, but I love that. This is so neutral right here, exactly what I need. And I did end up getting this one in the horizontal layout. I think this is a great starting off point for my first life planner. When I first started with the Happy Planner, my first layout was horizontal. So I thought that with my Erin Condren life planner, the horizontal layout would be great for that. And I'm just loving how neutral this is. And I like that each day is kind of sectioned off. It's not connected. It has that divider right between the days. So I do love that. And I love all these quotes for each month. Like, how motivational is that? I was thinking of maybe using it as a journal maybe. I think that would be a great idea. I could also try it as my catch-all maybe. But I'm still not sure. There's so many options and so many ways to use a planner that the possibilities are endless. And so we have contacts in 2020, and then we also have some stickers in the back. I just love how they included stickers here, and then we also have a pocket folder, and then this one is a perpetual calendar. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's just a monthly view, kind of like in a list. So, okay, I do love this. And then important contacts and important passwords. Perfect. And I'm so excited to be using all of these items, and I'm especially thankful for the Erin Condren team for sending all of these goodies over. And I do have some affiliate links down in the description box below, so you can receive $10 off your first order, and I just can't wait to get started. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.